Guys, it's Princess Athena Rose. So I just opened this, but I didn't video it in the right time. So I wanted the blue one, and I did got it. It's from Mr. Toys. And it's so pretty. It's like made of stone or something.
Tita, that's atin it for me.
Okay, why?
Sa ano?
Now have the capybara.
Mata.
The capybara.
Ilalagay yung mata.
Capybara. Oh.
Ayan nga. Kulang na isa. Nasaan pa isang iba? Triangle.
Ah!
Triangle.
Card. Ah! I get something cute.
Kulang?
Okay.
Kulang na isa.
Oh.
Baka yun yung ano ko nila, yung susi.
Oh!
Nandito? Wala.
I got! It's so
Yung meron sa
cute!
mga kanina na nandun yata sa mga
Ano ko? Guys,
Kasi
ito?
meron, ano yung sabi ko?
Hey!
Ito, dito. Dito niya ano yun.
Asking what?
Oh, no.
What's
Hawak
this?
niya kanina eh.
This is what I've been asking for a long time. So I want to wrap it in case it breaks. That almost made me shake. With my wood castle, and I'm still keeping this card, okay? Capybara. Bonnie Capybara. Oh, they're not going to be that easy one. This one because that's the wish. I don't even know what to get. Not candy, please do not eat. And I hope I see something. I hope it's not Cloney, but when it's Cloney, I'll be able to make it. If you mirror, I get to keep it because it's so So this is it. I don't know what's the back for. What is that? What's that? I think wait, no. I think I have this.